Hello, I am the head of the Xator company, and we have decided to demonstrate, show, and tell you a little about our products. Our product range is growing more and more every year. Our main products are mulchers, which we have been manufacturing for over 5 years. This version for a tow hitch fits any self-propelled machinery, and there is a mulcher for front mounting. This one model can be mounted both at the front and at the back. Besides mulchers, we produce a very large product line, starting from the light version mulcher, which is a bit simpler. Its engine is offset to the side, there is no additional shaft for weight distribution, and this model is more simplified. There are two models, 1500 and 1200 millimeters. We have these models in 1200 millimeters. Also, for all models, a throttle handle can be installed on the ATV itself, along with an emergency stop button. It is compatible with any engine that we manufacture and install on our equipment. This year, a new model has appeared, a mulcher with a hopper. The hopper, with a capacity of over 0.5 cubic meters, allows you to collect everything, transport it to a site, and dump it. The mulcher is quite simple, with a mechanical tipping system. It only just went on sale this year. The wheels also adjust to the transport position, and the model performed quite well during testing. Also new this year is the lawn mower. While the mulcher is designed for mowing uneven areas with branches and even the occasional brick, which is fine, this one is meant for flat, prepared ground, and it mows lawns very neatly and evenly with a width of 1200 millimeters. These lines are mainly used in the summer. We also have items that are suitable for any season. For example, this rotary brush, which is also powered by engines. It is suitable for summer and can throw debris, stones, and everything else 5 to 7 meters away. It also performed excellently in winter. It clears away debris, snow, anything at all, throwing it to the side and clearing paths. Even if there is ice, it cleans it perfectly, leaving it clean, and as soon as the sun comes out, it all melts away quickly. There is also a non-motorized brush. It tilts and works like a blade. You tilt it to the right or left and push the debris away. Well, this simple model is also used in various devices. We also have a rotary brush with a hopper designed for clearing debris from an area. This could be various grounds or paths. It has a fairly large hopper that tips over using a winch. Everything is quite simple. In general, all our products are quite simple, and if you need any repairs, it is absolutely easy to do them yourself without needing any special tools. Our snowblower has also proven itself very well. The clearing width with extensions is up to 1400 millimeters. People even clear roads along highways, and we get very positive feedback. It throws snow up to 15 meters. If you need to push snow somewhere, or if the snow is packed, you can easily detach the snowblower and attach a blade. The blade mounts to the same standard spot as the snowblower. They share the same mounting plate. In general, our entire product line uses one single platform and one single mount. Once you buy our product with the mount, everything will always be compatible. We try to keep track of this and avoid introducing any new modifications. We also sell cargo carriers that attach to the tow hitch. These carriers are very reliable, made of high-quality steel and powder-coated. We sell quite a lot of them and have received many positive reviews. They will be available for purchase soon. Trailers. We advise our clients on how they can use our equipment in additional ways. We test purchased the simplest and most affordable walk-behind tractor model and created a mount for attachments. There are a huge number of them for sale in stores at various prices, and this already allows all our equipment that goes on a tow hitch to be used with minimal investment. This walk-behind tractor costs around $35,000, plus this adapter frame also costs around $17,000. They are all over the marketplaces, and you can use any of our equipment. We also bought the simplest tractor available on the market. We also advise our customers on where and how to purchase one. And you can also use all the equipment, mow and very productively, because not everyone can afford an ATV and the equipment is, widely applicable in various ways. We also have a new soil roller model now. We first made it for ourselves when planting a lawn at our facility, and it performed very well, so we decided to add it to our product line. It is a 250-kilogram soil roller. It is very easy to transport. You just need to pick it up and flip it over, and it is ready for work. We unfold it, and it is ready for soil rolling. For those who maintain various grounds, it should be very useful and very easy to use. We have told you a little about the products we manufacture, and we are open to cooperation with companies that sell agricultural machinery and ATVs. We already have representatives in Moscow, St. Petersburg, Nizhny Novgorod, Samara, and our production facility is located in Volgograd. We are also ready to consider cooperation with companies that sell equipment.